Hey Meg, you are muted.
Shoot, I'm sitting here going, hello, hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. How about you?
Good. It looks like it may be just you and me. Should we wait for others or should we go forward?
Uh, I think I saw Brad in the attendees. Brad's name is there in the attendees, so I think he might join.
Okay. Well, I will. What do you want to talk about? I'll share my
No,
screen.
I
Hmm?
don't have any specific topic. I just wanted to join.
Oh,
What's
okay.
going on?
I'm so
Yeah.
glad you did. Um, let's see. Um, so were you satisfied with what we got, the discussion about the release notes? Yes, was it yesterday? I lost track of what day it is
Yep.
in this week's. Yeah. So so you're looking at the metrics operator and lifecycle operator, right?
Yep.
Oh, who am I in? I'm in the community. Okay, let's get to the right. Oh, where are you? Where are you? No, that's wrong. I've got too many tabs open and I'm not managing them well. Oh, I have an idea since I just sent everybody the link. Let's grab that. Okay. Some of the other shows show up. Yeah, you're doing a nice job. You're doing lots of stuff for the metrics operator, but I like you're doing very good work. I like it.
Thank you.
Oh, so yeah, I'm gonna go in and start looking at some of the other readmes. So ping me if you're going. I think I'm gonna start with the main one, which is a lot of that's architecture, which I think I know I need to talk to Amish to see if she's Amisha if she's gonna get on that. I think she's working on the architecture part, so rest of it. So, but has Google Summer of Code now officially started?
Yes, the community bonding period is going on right now. The
Okay,
coding period will start from 1 June.
okay.
Yeah,
Are
but I've
you?
started coding already.
Well, you're already so oriented to this project. You're.
Yep.
It's great that you're doing. When is your presentation?
The first submission is in mid of July.
Okay.
Yep.
So will it be recorded so the rest of us can see it?
I don't know about the first presentation. At the final presentation, I think I'll have to present it. So, yep.
Oh, is it live? It's not a remote. It's a live meeting.
Not sure how things will work. Let's
Okay.
see.
Well, keep us posted.
Sure.
So let's see. If you're in the mood, I put the link to the getting started guides. I think we're about done with them. They kind of suck, but they're kind of better than nothing and be interested in feedback on them. Oh,
Sure, I'll give it a look.
yeah. You're supposed to, it's like they're high level. They go with a video that Andy did, and it's and they said, well, they wanted three separate ones so that, on the landing page, there's the little boxes for the user cases. So each one of those will go down, and then when there's a link to go getting started, it will go into the specific one. But as you do all three, I'm reading through it, it's like it's all about the intro stuff, and we've kind of shortened it. I mean, we were just pointing to the docs for go here for instructions on how to install. I feel like it's all
Mm-hmm.
introductory, and then it's really fast, and you're done with that topic. And in a way, it would be nicer if it was all uh, one document, but we need the three separate ones. So it's a start. We'll see where it goes from here.
Mm-hmm. Sure, I'll give it a look.
Okay. And I think we're probably, because we're under some pressure, some people wanted that done like, 3 weeks ago, so. They're probably gonna publish them, but we can always improve them afterwards, so. So. Yeah, because your GSOC project includes documentation, doesn't it, for what you're doing?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I'll have to update the documentation too. How we can include the time frame field in the Keptn metric. I'll
Mm-hmm.
have to include that in the documentation.
Excellent, excellent. So, you're done with your school for the year?
Yes,
Are-
my second year is over. My
uh,
exams are over now.
So how far along, you're not graduating this year, are you?
No, 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 no. I'm still in my second year.
Okay. Wow. Well, we're impressed with you. We see a bright future.
Thank you.
Ah. So anything else you want to discuss, or should we call it a meeting, or?
Yes, we can call it a meeting, I guess. I
Oh,
don't have any specific topic.
well, I do appreciate you showing up. I get lonely at these meetings. I don't know what we're going to do about them, but so, okay, well then let's call it done. But thanks so much, and holler if you need anything at all.
Sure, thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye. We'll talk next week.
Bye.